Question number 13. It is given OABC is a square in a quadrant, inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. Okay, OA is 20. This much length. Side of the square we can say is 20. Find the area of the shaded region. So here we can find this shaded region area by subtracting area of a square from the area of the quadrant. So for area of a square formula is side square. Side is given already, isn't it? And for this quadrant, we should use sector area formula, theta by 360 pi r square. Now in this formula, theta is given since it is quadrant, and this is square. So 90 degree. Angle will be 90 degree. Okay. And then r. R is not given. See, this is r, no, radius. This r is not given. So first and foremost thing is to find r. So how we can find r? See, OA is 20, OB is also 20. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem in OAB triangle. So right here, since OA is equal to OB is equal to 20, in triangle OAB, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write OB square equals to OA square plus AB square, isn't it? So OB square will be 20 square plus 20 square. So OB square will be 2 into 20 square. So OB we can write 20 root 2 centimeter. But OB is what? Radius also. Radius of the quadrant. So R we can denote as 20 root 2 centimeter. Now we will find area of square, that is OA square we can write. So 20 square, that is 400 centimeter square. Area of sector or quadrant we can write. Pi we should use 3.14. It is given in the question. So 90 by 360 into 3.14. R is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. Okay. This will go 9 4s are 4 5s are. Now 20 into 5 is 100 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay. So this 314 will remain, isn't it? This decimal will shift two places to the right into 2. So this will give 628 centimeter square. So now area of shaded region will be area of sector minus area of square. Okay. So area of sector we got as 628 and area of square we got 400. So final answer will be 228 centimeter square. Question number 14. AB and CD are respectively two arcs of two concentric circles, radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Center is O. AOB is 30 degrees, so we have to find the area of shaded region. So here we can find by subtracting area of smaller sector from area of the big sector. Okay. So let R and R be radius of smaller and bigger sector respectively. So R value is 7 centimeter and capital R value is 21 centimeter. Theta will be same for both and that is also given 30 degree. So area of shaded region is equal to area of big sector minus area of small sector. That is given by theta by 360 into pi capital R square, theta by 360 into pi small r square. Now theta by 360 into pi we can take common and r square minus r square. So theta is 30, 360, pi we can use 22 by 7, r is 21 square minus 7 square. Okay, so we can do this. 12 will go, then 11 by 7 into 6. Okay, and this by using identity we can open here. So 21 minus 7 and 21 plus 7. So 11 divided by 7 into 6, this will give 14 and this will give 28. So 7 4s are 28. From 2 we can cancel. Okay, so 11 into 28 by 3. So this also we can simplify further. 11 into 28 by 3. From 3 we can cancel. 3 9s are 27, 1 will remain. 3 3s are 9, again 1 will remain. So 11 into 9.33 we can write. Now multiply. 11 3s are 33, 11 3s are 33 and 3 6 will come 36, 11 9s are 99 and 3 will be 102. So 102.63 centimeter square. Question number 15. ABC is a quadrant of the circle. It is given. Radius is also given 14 centimeter. Then one semicircle is drawn taking BC as a diameter. Okay, so here we have to find area of shaded region. So what we can do, since BC is a diameter, this one is semicircle and this one is semicircle. So from semicircle, if we subtract the area of segment, we will get this shaded region. Okay, so what we have to do, area of semicircle minus area of segment. Now how we can find area of segment? Area of segment we found earlier also in earlier example. By which method? Area of sector minus area of triangle. So for sector area we need theta and radius, that is also given. For area of triangle, height and base we need, that is also given. Okay, but to find area of semicircle we need radius of semicircle, that is not given, but BC is a diameter. So this we can find by using Pythagoras theorem here. So first we will find radius, then one by one each area we will find. So in triangle ABC, since angle A is 90, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is AB square plus AC square. Okay, so 14 square plus 14 square, 2 into 14 square. So we can write BC as 14 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so BC is diameter, so therefore radius of semicircle will be R will be divided by 2, so 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay, now area of sector or area of segment we can find directly. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, area of sector means theta by 360 into pi. Now here these r we should not use, sector is this. Okay, so the 14 directly given, so I will write 14. Otherwise if you use r we have supposed for the semicircle, that is BC, half of BC is r. Okay, or if you want to avoid confusion you can take this as capital R also. So better write 14 square minus area of triangle ABC means 1 by 2 into base into height, which is also 14. So 14 square, 14 into 14, 14 square. So 14 square we can take out. Theta is 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 we can take, and here half will remain. Okay, so 14 square means 196. 11 by 14 minus 1 by 2. So 196. 22 minus 14 by 28. Okay, so 8 by 28. So we can cancel from 2. Okay, again we can cancel. Now from 7 we can cancel this. 7 2s are 14. 5 will remain. 7 8s are 56. So this answer will be 56 centimeter square. This is what area of the segment, this segment. Okay, now we will find area of semicircle, then this area we will subtract here. So to find area of semicircle, now we know our radius also, isn't it? So we will write therefore, or now, area of semicircle half into pi into r square. R square we got as 14 root 2. Sorry, 7 root 2. So this 7 will go. Okay. Now this will go with 11. So 11 into 7 and root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. So 77 into 2 will give 154 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region will be 154 minus 56. Okay, so this will give 8 and 98 centimeter square is the answer. Question number 16, it is given that this is square, okay, of 8 centimeter radius, and this shaded region area we should find. So suppose if you consider this one, okay, 90, so we can, and this one is 8 centimeter, so we can find area of sector easily. Okay, and then we will draw this one. We should find area of segment. So by subtracting area of triangle we can get this area, isn't it? So this area is what? Half of this, see? Okay, so after getting one area we will multiply that area with 2 to get this area also, total area. Okay, so here we will consider this as area of sector. Okay, so now we will find area of sector first. So theta is 90 and r is 8 centimeter. So we can write A, B, C. So area of sector is theta by, better write name here, ABC. Area of sector ABC, theta by 360 pi r square. So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 we can take, r is 8 into 8. So okay, 4 2s are 8. So finally we can write this as 22 into 16 by 7. So from 7 we can multiply. 7 3s are 21, 1 will remain, 7 1s are 7, 3 will remain, 7 4s are 28, 2 will remain, so 7 2 will come. So 3.14 into 16. 16 4s are 64, 16 1s are 16 and 6 22, 16 3s are 48 and 2 50. So 50.24 centimeter square is area of sector. Area of triangle ABC will be half into base into height, that is 8 into 8, isn't it? This base and height are same, so 2 4s are 8, 32 centimeter square. So area of one segment, okay, this area of one segment we can write 50.24 minus 32, that is 18.24 centimeter square. Okay, so area of shaded region will be 2 into 18.24, isn't it? Don't write 2 segment. Area of shaded region means both will come now. 2 into this area. So 36.48 centimeter square.